Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download correctly for Blender 4.0. Okay, the super one of the 3D program. Okay, don't waste our time. Let's do it. First of all, you need to go to your Google and then type Blender. Blender here, and then here is Blender. And if you click on download, and here you can check your window, this one, and then you can download it. Here it is, and then you can download. For me, I already download for the first time. And if you don't download like this, you can go to Blender, Blender 2.81, and then go to blender.org, and you can check the previous version, and then go to download any Blender, and you can see all the version of Blender, and you can find Blender 4.0, and then go to which Blender that you want. Here is the Blender for Windows. Yeah, you can download Windows MSI. I already download. This one you can choose Blender 4.0.2 Windows 64.msi. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. If you like the video, don't forget to help me to like button or subscribe button as well. Thank you.